In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall a bot inside of cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up cTrader either on your favorite browser or on your program, cTrader program on your PC. From here, it should bring something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. And now from here, you'll need to go up to the left-hand side and go down to Algo, also known as cbots. Then from here, you'll need to go over to cbots, and then from here, you'll need to find the specific cbot or bot you want to delete. And from here, you'll simply need to go down to, let's say I want to delete the need type test version up here. Then I need to click on it, right click on it, and then click delete, like so. From here, you'll be asked if you want to be sure to delete from the cloud, and click yes right here. Now you can see that it has been deleted up here, and it has also been deleted up here in the algos. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!